guys, now in this tutorial I will show you how to customize your theme manager. I know you enjoyed this theme right here. Let's show here where you can customize your own, just the way I did I have my Bible theme, and I also have my hymn. This is my hymn theme, and there are other default theme there. This is a choir theme, or the other theme. So let me quickly show you how to configure your own theme. At first, you create a new theme. It will show you the theme wizard. Okay, do you want a background color or you want image? Okay, in my own case I use image, so I choose image. The background color, I like it to be black, just the way this is. Then the image. Okay, here comes the image. You can choose any image of your choice as you like it. Okay, let me choose this one for example. Say okay. Say next. Okay, you can configure the font. You want it to be bold, italic, the font color, the size, the line spacing, the outline, the shadow, as you like it. Say next. Then this is the footer area. This is what it means by footer, like this Genesis 1 verses, that's the footer. So you choose which one you want. When you're done, say next. The text formatting, yeah, okay, just like the way it is, but in my own case I prefer it to be center and middle. That's better, just the way it is right now. I prefer it that way. You can add a transitions, but I won't advise you to add a transition to project for the congregation because it might slow up the process, so I leave that on check. Next. Okay, the media, just leave this one as default. And next. Okay, and this is how it will look like. This is how it will look like. This is a preview, so you can just change, put a name, testing, and say finish. It's done. So you look at it. This is testing. So if you can now set it, for example, you want to set it as a default for the whole application. So right here you have to choose that testing. You can see. So this will make it a default for all the whole application. But you can specify it for, maybe you want it to be for song, you want to be for only the Bible, only the song. You can do that. Just go to settings, say configure. I want it to be only for song. I click on song. No, not here. You click on Bible, for example. You can see Bible theme. So I just scroll down and say, okay, I want the Bible theme to be testing. You see? So doing that, it will change the Bible. So, but what I choose here will affect the hymn. Let's test it and see. This is a song, this is a hymn. You can see it's affecting the hymn. Let's change it. You can see it's affecting him, so this affects the hymn. So let's go to Bible and see. You can see the Bible didn't change because we didn't change it here. So let's change it here. Okay, this is it. And let me see. Okay, I'm coming. It's because I've launched it already. Let me change the Bible and search newly. Let me see what program is right now. Okay, presentation. Okay, let's go back and see what happened. I'm just having a little problem here, so just have to troubleshoot the problem. So first you make it a blank one first to reset it, then you go back again, testing. Okay, then let's search for Bible again. Search. Okay, it's here. Wow, it's successful now. So that's it. So what you do here, we affect the hymn, then for the Bible you change it from here. So you can just go over the tutorial again and again, and we are good to go. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful and lovely day. Bye.